All right, so you're getting this hood ajar warning even when your hood is down. And so this is a 2018 Ford F-150. And what happens is at night, if you got your door locked, this sensor in your hood latch is going to go off and your car's going to start beeping an alarm. You can get around that by leaving your car unlocked all night and then it don't go off. So I ordered a replacement hood latch that has the sensor in it from Amazon. It was about 20 bucks. Here's the old hood latch. You need a 10 millimeter socket. It's 2 bolts. Get this one off here. Don't lose these bolts down there. There's one. There's the left one now. Okay, now we got the cable, so you could pull this latch open from inside the truck, which is right there. And then we got the sensor, which is right there. So we just got to figure out how to get the cable and the sensor unplugged and then replugged onto this nice new one. It's going to go about there. There should be a 10-minute fix. So you can see there's that cable coming through. I'm probably going to just grab a needle nose pliers to get that wire out of the slot, get it out of there. And then there's the clip for the sensor. And of course this one just has the new one just has a plug for that. So that little cable for the pull cord, that little black grommet that's going to slip through, that actually just had like little fins that you had to squeeze in so it'll push through that hole. So that's that side. Alright, so I just got to get that plug undone. And notice that the little pigtail hanging out is actually squeezed into the metal housing, whereas this one's kind of free floating. So you're going to want to stick this into that hole like that, just so it's secured kind of like this one, so it's not floating around. Wondering how to unlatch this. There's a button on the back side of here that you have to squeeze. I'll show you on the new one. So on the other side of this, that button, you squeeze that down and you can pull it out. So squeeze. Want to see the sensor that goes bad? It's actually that micro switch right there. That little metal lever pushes that little button that's all caked up, versus the nice new one. See a little blue button and that little micro switch lever? There you go. So there's your sensor that goes bad. Got that cable pushed in behind the spring. Got that sensor plug plugged in. Put my 2 bolts back. Easy to go. Alright, putting these back in now. I'm getting got this one almost all the way in. I'm gonna get this one really close, and I'm gonna make sure the height matches up to the marks where it used to be. I'll just find the wear marks of where the old one was. That way it's sets the height same as it was before. Alright. Shit. That's alright. I'll just take a tape measure with the magnetic end. There. That's how you get your 10 millimeter back. Alright. Let's test this. Ta-da. Vehicle on. No hood ajar warning. Got the driver door ajar, but that's fine. Driver door ajar, and we're good. And we'll use our... Let's make sure that opens. That opens just fine. Cool. Alright, well, make sure you spend 20 bucks on Amazon and get a 10 millimeter socket instead of going to the shop, because I saw a kid on YouTube took it to a shop and they charged him $425 for this job right here that took 10 minutes. don't get robbed. Thanks for watching.